Okay guys, I'm gonna try to make this as simple as possible. We have a 2018 Honda CR-V paint code NH603P. It's a 3-stage white. I'm gonna ignore a lot of the other panels that I'm working on, and we are just gonna focus on these two doors. I've masked off the rear door. I don't need any seal or overspray going out anywhere, so this is how I like to do it. Yeah, let's get this all mounted up and walk you through it. Alright guys, so I got everything sealed. We have a OEM fender, OEM bumper, used hood, a damaged front door, and we're going to blend this rear door right behind me. Like I said, sealer's all laid. I've got the ground coat made. If you're not familiar with the process, the ground coat is the solid white without any pearl or metallic in it. That's what makes blending this color out so difficult, is being able to hide from the ground coat to the mid coat into the area where you have no paint or any base coat. So yeah, I've got everything. Still got the store mask up. I'm gonna put one coat of ground coat on, unmask it, blend out my ground coat on this rear door, and we'll jump back to Okay guys, we've got our ground coat, the whole panel, blended it out a little bit here. You might be able to see the difference. I can see the difference. I don't know in the camera how it looks. Here's where it gets interesting. PPG, who I use, so it may be way different for the paint line that you use. I actually mix the ground coat and mid coat 1-to-1, and I'm gonna do a little drop coat, which is the distance and pressure thing, just because the pigments with PPG are so strong. It's really hard to cover that white and blend it in without you being able to notice. So I'm gonna do a little drop coat of the combination of those two coats of the mid coat, and then another orientation coat on that to get the metallics to stand where I want them. And yeah, let's go along for the ride. Hopefully you learned something. Alright guys, our base coat's all laid out on every single panel. I really just wanted to demonstrate this blend panel. I don't know the camera angle right now, I'll change it up, but you can't see any of this. Hide your guys' blends in places. Don't put them straight up and down in the middle of a panel. Hide them under a mirror, hide them under a door handle, hide them on transitions on body lines. This one's laid out perfectly. I need to tack it, stat gun it, suit up, and let's clear it, and I hope to show you guys the finished product. It looks good. Welcome back, everybody. Ignore the street clothes. I was just headed on my way out, and I happened to notice that our CRV is all thrown together, not detailed, so ignore the dirt all over. And this blend is, I can't see it inside, I can't see it outside. And that's kind of what you want, right? You don't want to have to be hiding things in certain light or certain angles. A couple tips or pointers on these 3-stage blends: give yourself plenty of distance. Try to hide the blend in a body line or a shadow from a mirror or under door handles. Do things that are going to work in your favor. The worst thing you can do is try to hide that blend vertically. The human eye is going to pick that thing up instantly, and you'll be repainting the job. Worst thing that could happen. So with the system I use, the strategy I have in these works out very well. It might not apply to you. The most important thing, just slow down, and experience obviously goes a long way, and over time you'll learn things that work for yourself. So I'm really happy with how this one turned out. I hope I could teach you something. If not, tune into another video. I don't know, maybe there's something there for you. Catch you guys next video.